So I first came in contact with Lane Kids. I'm a parent. I have a 4-year-old boy, and it's almost impossible to keep 4-year-old boys busy all the time. And so a friend of mine had shared the Lane Kids Facebook page with me so that I could get the calendar of events, and it was an amazing resource. So I really started kind of looking into Lane Kids and what was available, and then sharing that out with some of my friends. And then when I started at United Way 2 months ago, I came on board and heard that Lane Kids was actually a piece of the early education work that was being done here, and was incredibly excited because as a parent it was a phenomenal resource for anything from finding resources in the community to, like I said, the event calendars and things like that. It's really fantastic to me to be able to go on their Facebook page or on their website and immediately access what's going on around town, what we can do, what's in the price range or fits into the time that we have available. But that's one of the things I really like about Lane Kids and their community calendar, is that they kind of curate all the events and things that are happening around town. A lot of the great things for kids are during the day, so having someone like Lane Kids that can pull it together so that there's still stuff that we can be involved in, even though that happens after 5 p.m. It's huge, and I don't think there's much like that out there yet. So love the blog. I actually used some of the ideas I had read on the blog the other day, standing in line at the grocery store. You know, it's always the worst because your kid's trying to grab candy or hit all the buttons, or, you know. And so we played Simon Says as we were going through the line, and it was something I had seen on the Lane Kids blog, and it was great, you know. And by the end of it, the cashier was excited and involved, and we were all kind of playing this game. Coming on board as the marketing and communications director, I have a passion for the education piece and for kids, and so I'm excited to see the ways that those things can grow. I think Lane Kids is a resource for the community that we haven't really had much like that in the past, that can be all-encompassing and offer everything from entertainment and insight to resources. And so I think I really hope to see that become cemented in the community as something that parents can enjoy for a long time moving forward. I think it's pivotal work, and it's great to bring kids and parents together in that way.